Let's learn how to turn off standby mode on an iPhone. If you're annoyed by the calendar, clock, or other widgets popping up when you put your phone on the charger and turn it sideways but don't know how to disable it, you don't have to worry anymore because after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, you'll be on a page with many options. You need to scroll down a bit on that page. When you have scrolled down, click on the Standby option, which is located below the Wallpaper option. After clicking on that option, a page with several options will open. To turn off standby mode, the standby option at the top needs to be turned off. You can turn it off by clicking the button next to it. Once you turn off that option, you have successfully disabled standby mode. This means that when you put your phone on the charger and turn it sideways, the calendar, clock, or widgets will not be displayed. That's it. That was the tutorial on how to turn off standby mode on your iPhone device. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.